Stay wet.
Got some Cheetos. And we got about an hour left until I get there. Let's go.
There was red.
Yep. That's right, guys. We're here. Alright, people. We're going to bed. Peace out. See you in the morning. I'll get a tour of hotel breakfast. Daddy's favorite part. And it is 10:46 right now. You're welcome. Alright, well, we're on the first floor, and guess what? We got a dog here. She's kind of a chunky puppy, but, yeah, she's so cute. And we're about to go pick up hotel breakfast. Daddy's favorite part. And, last night, we went to the store. We went to some stores, and we got Sunday some toys. Alright, let's go pick up some hotel breakfast, boys. Guys. Get those. So where is the hotel breakfast? Wow. What is that? Hurricanes. So sick. Get this.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. Thank you.
Is that thing for me?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, let's go. Alright, see you. See you back in the hallway. We can see you. Unfortunately, Daddy's not going to be able to open the door.
You might have to sit something down.
Alright, guys, let's go. We got some waffles.
What'd you pick? Oh, look at you. Let me take your picture.
Mommy, look, I really got a video of the hotel breakfast. Biggest hotel room ever. We got some apple juice right here. We got the little dog. She's kind of chunky, but she's a dog. And also, she got those nice ear pods last night. And it was just a cute dog. She got those nice ear pods. I like this room. I like it. And then the unexpected happens.
Which school is that? 014.
What do we get? 27. Or favorite pair for my favorite.
Yeah.
I forgot I got insurance. My other top card where I told you that I had yesterday was and this is super nice.
Oh, good morning. Oh, that's pretty quiet. Morning.
Flights, flights.
That's right. There's
Hey, chicken.
something. She says she's ready. Not yet. She's ready. I'm ready. But it's ready. Start your stop once.
Owen. Well.
How do you like the V9?
It's alright. Kind of wonky though. I also have a horrible turning style though, so there's that too.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm practicing for 2x2 right now. It's gonna be good. I know it already. Never mind.
Enjoying some breakfast at the comp?
Working on it.
What's up next?
Flute 2x2. Crew 3.
See how big this place is?
Wait, show him the place again. Show him the place again.
Oh, he's gone.
Caden, Connor. Caden.
Yes.
That I've seen. Yeah, hit it down.
I don't delegate. Oh, my bad.
What are you talking about when you finish solving?
So I was like this, and then drop it. Or like I pick it up, turn.
I think you're okay. Hey, Lydia. You're fine. Lydia.
The competition. The Rubik Cube competition. Yeah. The Rubik Cube
Isn't it, Brett?
Flomphibition. It's a Rubik Cube Flomphibition.
Oh no, they're only taking 12. We're on lunch from your competition. On lunch.
We're on lunch break, guys.
Lunch.
Yes. It's our win.
You gotta push it hard. There you go.
I'm gonna be the letter elder.
No letter, Albert.
It's a doggy.
It's a dog! Hi, baby dog! Hi, dog! It is so excited! It is so excited! Hi, dog! You can't take it, can you? See, we never let you.
Yes, we're in the hotel room.
We would never leave you, puppy. We wouldn't do it. Hold on. Let me put on my sunglasses.
What's up, guys? Just doing a little bit of judging.
Just doing a little bit of judging. I'm getting ready for 2x2 group 2. Yeah. Judging, it's a big place. There's not as many people here as they were like 2 hours ago, but yeah. Peace. May good luck. Ready when you are. I'm ready. Oh. That's not good for me.
Room 10. Seven.
Lucas, 5?
Lucas, 5. Hey. 4. Lydia.
Ooh. Okay. 5,
7,
0, 8.
David, 6. Lucas, 5?
Yeah, 2. Okay. 0. Okay. Nice.
You got it in 4 seconds on the last set?
See.
What was that one?
8.
8?
And it hasn't been so well. I got a 29, a 27, and a 26.
7.
It's not going that great. Alright, hopefully this time I can get a sub 20, or like a 17 or 16. That'll be my PR, so hopefully that's good.
All right, nice. Are you ready?
Yeah, I know.
Eight seconds.
Wait, so 19, 21, 16, yeah, no.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Zachary.
All right.
Maybe something.
Ready?
I know.
717.
Don't tell me this now.
8 seconds.
I don't know why I think I'm writing my J's so sloppy.
I'm not amazing at handwriting either. You're probably gonna be better than me at handwriting one day.
Adrian!
Oh.
6?
And it's good.
We just got 17 seconds off. Not looking good today. Here, yeah, you get like a, maybe a sub 10 maybe.
Alright.
Jets 5, Jet 5. Let's go, babies. We're in Lawton, and we left the purple. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I noticed that. Let's go. Alright, so check this out. I don't think we're allowed to do this, but anyways. Alright, we got a Danish here. I'm gonna put some chocolate chips on it.
I like his new shoe. What size is that? I like his shirt that I got him from the club, don't you?
Yeah.
Super cute.
Hey guys. We're cooking some waffles right now. It's got 59 seconds left to go.
Because I really want to open the city of Denver.
See you next time.